Welcome to Recipe A to Z. Now I will show you how to make best burger recipe. Now I am taking minced beef. Now I'm add onion. Now I am add coriander leaves. Now I am add cubed tomato. Now I am add green chili. Now I am add ginger paste. Now I am add egg. Now I am add salt to taste. Now I am add turmeric powder. Now I am add garam masala powder. Now I am add red chili flakes. Now I am add coriander seeds. Now I am add all-purpose flour. Now I am add butter. Now all ingredients mix together. Now mix them finely. Now I take it for marination for 30 minutes. Now I am making patty. Now I am frying in deep oil. Frying until golden brown color. Time for presentation. Add mayonnaise or cocktail sauce, jalapeno, lettuce, sliced tomato, onion ring, meat patty. Thanks for watching.